So today we're gonna show you the amplifier, very common amplifier to fail in BMW starting from 2012. They have a smaller connector and the wider one. The only difference is it supports ASD, which is artificial sound from the engine, sort of. So that's how it looks like. That's the module. Usually M4, 4 series, 3 series. And the main problem is water damage on this unit. Even though it's interesting because this one looks pretty good. But if you look closer, you can see the spot, okay? And the spot basically tells you that water was dripping here. So you need to be careful and find out where it's coming from. Otherwise, you're constantly going to be replacing these amplifiers. And I can tell you, they're like $2,000, okay? So what's going on is, okay, now it's better. That's the board, okay? Overall, it doesn't look too bad. Overall, it looks kind of dry, but check this out. This is really bad. You think probably it's not a big deal, something got burned. No. Problem is that the inner layers, and there are about 6 of them in this board, right here. You cannot see it from here, but there are about 6 layers in this board. And the inner layers got shorted, so it's constantly shorted. Of course, it blew the fuse, absolutely. But why it happened? If you look here, this pin is burned. So water got in here in between these two boards, even though it doesn't even look like it, but it's there. And it actually caught this amp on fire, because look, this is fiber optic lines, and they melted. So water is, let me remove it, sorry. Water was here, and that's how it got destroyed. So I'm just saying, make sure that nothing drips, because like few drops of water can destroy a $2,000 amplifier. And believe me, it's complex to repair them. Lots of these chips, they contain software you cannot find anywhere. So it's a big deal. It's really a big deal to repair this amplifier. Sometimes not even worth repairing it. That's what I wanted to show you. So once again, be careful. Make sure water doesn't get in there, because they die super quick. Few drops and it's gone. And it's gone. And when we repair them, people send it back within a few months. They're water damaged again, and we will not cover warranty if it's water damaged. We will not cover it on the warranty, because it's obvious that's a physical damage. So we need to take care, especially convertibles. Make sure all your drain lines are okay and they drain water properly. Otherwise, it's going to be constantly destroying your electronics. That's about it. But like I said, it's not the car problem. It is actually the maintenance problem, more like it. So that's the unit, part numbers, the different parts, but usually they all look like this. So problem is they have holes, of course, for the heat dissipation, the ventilation, but unfortunately water also gets in here. So that's kind of a problem. That's about it. Thank you.